Not too sick, man, I gon' need a medic. Obviously a fly, LV on my belly. Don't be the kind, that I'm my pocket heavy. Have money on my brain, keep talk what you're saying. Talk out with the code that I serve, not the lane. Ice on my neck that shine like a chain. Not that money, man, I know what you're saying. Bitcoin hot, I'm study stocks. I want all the hood, I'm a not that up. I'm flying like this, now I don't need a gas. I'm up on the line, anywhere up on the map.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today I had a faucet replacement. So I was like cutting out one of the stems that was rusted out, so it actually fell, hit me right in the middle of my forehead. So I guess it's growing out my third eye. But I'm really happy that it only hit here. It could have hit my eye and it would have been worse. So that's what happened today at the end of the day in my work world. But then on the charts, we have a $120 profit. I opened the position at 6 p.m. and then I closed at 9:49 a.m. I was comfortable with the profits at that point, and then just decided to close it. All right, so I had, let me see. So let me actually show you. My entry was at 6 p.m. I was just looking at it as well. So I have a short position. And typically I go for the opening candle. So I entered here at 18,150.95. And then I actually closed. All right, let's put where my stop loss was. My stop loss was at 18,163. So about $20. This is actually $13. It was a $20 stop loss because I had a 0.08, but it's actually a 13 move. Is that correct? Yeah. So a 13 move would have actually stopped me out, but I didn't get stopped out. The price actually went in my favor, and I closed it at 18,075. And when was that? That was on the 940 candle. And on the 10 o'clock candle, there was such a violent push up. I was like, nah, it's not worth holding this. Let me just exit and not force this trade right now. So you can see that I could have been in profits from 6, 7, it went a little higher. 8, we came back down. 9, we were trading in that range. And then I actually closed it out at 949 at 18,075, 120 profit. Made no more trades on the day. Currently, I have a buy side trade running right now. I'm up $90. I'm honestly considering to take it. These are one of the days when it's like, should I take it? It might be a runner, it might continue up. But I mean, thinking very logically, I risked $20 on this trade to be up 90, so I'm up more than 3 times my risk. There's objectively, I should probably take the profits on this trade. My mind is telling me to let it run. But if I take this trade right now, I literally don't have to trade tomorrow. The only regret or remorse I might feel is if the market actually continues running. So it's something I need to decide on before I even go to bed, because there's a possibility that the market can come and take out this lower side exactly where I entered and then basically stop me out, right? And then I would end up losing $20, but then I would definitely lose all of the money I made on the trade, which is about $70. So there's pros and cons to this right now. You can actually see I have a buy here. I entered at 6:01 p.m. My entry was at 18,200. My stop loss is at 18,187. So I have a $20 stop loss, and this is my profit. This is the profit I'm running in right now. Let's look at my watch list. So as we're looking into the watch list now, Bitcoin, I'm not sure what Bitcoin did today. I wasn't really able to follow up the market a lot today. So Bitcoin is barely moving from yesterday. We're still in that range. We're still in that tight range. So you can see there's barely any change between yesterday and today's price action on Bitcoin. Tesla, Tesla, I guess this is after market price action. So this is the current price action or the price action as it got to around 7 o'clock here. Tesla is at 169, so not really much different than yesterday either. Just a slight different, a couple of dollars, $3 difference. IMMR, IMMR is like cents lower, 0 point, I would say 5 cents lower, right? That's all. Bit farms, I think it would be a little lower, no? Coming back up slightly, but I'm not happy with this move at all. So 2.25, Bit farms is definitely reacting to that Bitcoin halving that's about to happen. It's gonna be harder for miners to mine Bitcoin, so I'm guessing they are going to face some effects. And it's probably worth it to look at all Bitcoin miners and see who's moving differently, because there is obviously somebody who is going to benefit if not all of them are going to get clapped. NVIDIA, we're at 894. So only a $2 difference between today and yesterday. So not a great move either. AMD, I think it's pretty much the same. Oh, AMD is actually going up 181. And I'm actually paying attention to AMD because you can see it was at 178 for about a week. We're at 181 now, so it looks like it might be poised to kind of go up a little bit more. Very interesting. Very interesting. AMD. SMCI. This is my guess. If everything else is kind of low or bullish, SMCI is going to be more bullish. It's like an exaggerated chip stock. Yeah, it's a little higher, but nothing too crazy. You can see for most of the day it was a bullish move. You could have played calls on the day and made out. Um, what else can I say? We're at 1026, so nothing too drastic, but still, SMCI is still a little higher. So I would say overall the market is looking like a rebound. Overall, market rebound. Bitcoin same, Tesla slightly higher, IMR same, Bitfarm same, NVIDIA same, AMD higher, and SMCI higher. That's basically it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. What do you guys think I should do with this trade? I mean, you'll see what I happen to do tomorrow. Tell me what you think I'm gonna do today. So you'll see what I'll do in tomorrow's video. Tell me what you think I'll do in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.